Hello friends, today we're at my mom and dad's house and working on decorating their dining room and kitchen today. So we've already done the kitchen decorate with us, but we're going to do just a little bit of a kitchen refresh, move some things around, and we have a little DIY project we're going to be making, and we're super excited about making this little DIY project for over at the pantry. We'll talk about that more in a minute. We're going to clean up in here really good. We have really cute pieces or decor pieces that my mom has bought for the dining room, and some that were gifts from my sister and I. And we're going to be decorating her space. And this is kind of finishing out the series of us decorating over at mom and dad's house. If you're new, again, my mom and dad had a house flood back in January and they had to completely remodel, move out. It was a big ordeal, and we're finally getting them settled back in. We have done the guest room, their master bedroom and bathroom, their living room, their guest bathroom, the kitchen, and now we're going to be working on in here. We are eventually going to be cleaning out their garage and decorating her office space and laundry room, but we'll come back and just kind of do little home tours through the fall season, or if we decorate it for the summertime. And then we have little things here and there that we have to work on and refresh, so I'll bring y'all back through little vlogs and share with y'all some of the spaces that we're updating. But all the rooms are coming together very nicely. I think they're turning out so cute. And so we'll go ahead and get started. I think the first thing that we're going to do is talk about the DIY project. So I'm going to get all that put out and then we will go from there. So today's video is sponsored by Cricut, and I am so excited to be able to work with this machine. I'm not gonna lie, it has always intimidated me at first, but I've heard how easy that this one was to work with, and I actually got to use my smartphone to make the designs. If you're not familiar with Cricut, which I think that we all are by now, this is a smart cutting machine that allows you to create a personalized project with hundreds of materials. And I'm gonna be using on today's project is the one called the Cricut Explore 3, and with this one you can cut paper, cardboard, vinyl, iron-on, and many more exotic materials such as cork, linen, and fabric. So right now I'm just going to be setting up my machine. I love this beautiful color that it came with, and all the things that I just previously shared with y'all is everything that Cricut sent me to be able to make all kinds of different projects. And I have been looking up so many ideas on Pinterest, and I cannot wait to start making some pretty t-shirts and then making lots of crafts for around our new home and some pillowcases. I feel like this is going to be so much fun, and I finally get to be a crafter. So I've already been playing with it a little bit, and all you have to do is push this little button and it opens up so beautifully. And then I have already put in this little storage compartment that it comes with, I have put some of the tools in there that Cricut sent me, and then I'm just going to be pulling out some of the ones that we're going to be using on today's craft. So this Cricut is also compatible with the Cricut roll holder, and it supports rolls of smart material up to 75 feet. Cricut created the smart materials as a way to enable you to cut without using a mat. In addition to saving you the time of putting materials on a mat, the Explore 3 allows you to use the smart materials, allowing your machine to cut 2 times faster than the previous model. So Cricut works with a software called Design Space, and it comes free with your machine. This is where you can create your project and browse from hundreds of images and fonts. Once you've created your design, Design Space will send it to your machine to cut. And again, the one thing that I'm really most excited about this is that I was able to download the app on the phone, and it just took you step by step on how to use it and which buttons to push, and it's Bluetooth compatible, so it makes it very easy and understandable. Once you download the app, all you have to do is create a login, and then you connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, and you can get started. So right now I'm going to be picking the Cricut Explore 3 because that's the one that I have. And then once you turn on your Cricut, it will pull up and you will select Explore 3, and then it will begin uploading it to your phone and connecting it. Okay, now that we are all connected, I am going to go in and start a new project, and we are going to start making a pantry sign. Whenever I got into the app, I noticed that there was some fonts that I could use, but you would have to purchase. But then there was also some that was already built into the system, and they were all free. So these are the ones that I choose to work with on today's video. But I'm sure whenever you buy and download those other fonts, they would save onto your app, and then you would always have those. So we're planning on putting this sign above Mom's pantry and kind of give her little pantry area a makeover. And so we're going to use this piece of wood that she got from the shed. It's just scrap wood. And we're going to paint it white. And then we're going to put pantry, dry goods, and groceries is the plan. So we typed in pantry. We found one off of Pinterest we wanted to copy. So we typed in pantry, and then we went outside and measured how big we thought that we wanted it on the board. So then we came here, size that we wanted. So we came here to the width and height, and we had to unlock it to be able to lock in the right numbers that we wanted. So make sure you hit that unlock button. So that's what we did, and now we're about to feed the black smart vinyl, and we're going to put it in the Cricut and feed it through. So once we fed it through, we just started doing exactly what it told us to do. I'm telling y'all, this was so easy. Mom and I thought this was going to be pretty hard to figure out how to use, and whenever it got through cutting, we just looked at each other with our mouth open and we were like, we are officially crafters now. So as we were watching it cut, I do have this in fast forward motion, so it's cutting a lot faster than it looks, but it does cut really fast. But as we were sitting there watching it, we were just sitting there thinking there is no way that it was this easy. We couldn't really see exactly what it was doing or what it was cutting out, so we were just kind of crossing our fingers to what it was going to look like whenever it got through, and we were amazed. So if you look very closely, you can see that it cut it out. Now we're just going to take this little tool that it came with, and we're going to peel the vinyl off of this sheet and kind of clean it up before we use a transfer paper. Okay, now we're just going to take this transfer paper and put it over the top of the letters. That way we can smooth it down and pull it back up and easily be able to transfer it onto the wood sign that we're going to be using, so it makes it straight and look its best. And now we're going to be cutting out dry goods and groceries, and we're going to be using this without a mat because this is the Cricut Smart Vinyl, so this made it so easy. Now that it is all cut out and on the transfer paper, we're going to be using this little tool to adhere it to the wood. Okay, now we have finished it, and Mom's just using this little picture hanger to put on the back of it so we can hang it up. Proud of ourselves and so excited at the way that this turned out. We think that it is so cute. So now we're going to move on and we're going to start cleaning up the kitchen. We had lunch, so we're going to clean up that mess and then start decorating Mom's kitchen and dining room with some of the really pretty spring and summer decor items that she got. So let me know in the comments down below, are you a Cricut fan? Do you have one, or have you played with one before, or you never had one or got to use one and see how they worked? I have used one a long time ago at my friend's house. She actually wasn't there, so she was talking to me how to do it, or talking me through how to do it, and it seemed so hard. But now that I actually got it and know what I'm doing, I'm really excited about all the little crafts that I'm going to be able to make. So if you are a Cricut user, let me know in the comments down below all the little things that you've made to kind of give me some ideas. I'm thinking of all the little fun pillows that I'm going to make for the different seasons. I'm hoping in our new house to be able to have a bed swing outside on our back patio, and I'm thinking about really cute little pillows that I'll be able to make to put out there. So since after this video is kind of the end of the series of decorating my mom and dad's new home, or I guess it's their old home, the one that they've lived in for years, but remodeled, refreshed, I am going to spend some time helping them clean out the garage and just kind of helping get some things organized. We're going to hopefully get their pantry organized and all pretty too. But I'm thinking I'm going to start going to the stores and start looking for some 4th of July, some patriotic decor. Have y'all already been to like TJ Maxx and Home Goods and Hobby Lobby? Do they have a lot out this year? I know the last couple of years everything's have been so hard to find. So I'm hoping whenever I get out and about next week and take y'all with me that we'll be able to find lots of new things to add to my collection. I know that I won't be able to use any this year, but I like going and trying to find the deals and the sales on them now so I can have them packed away for next year. No, I have already seen a few of my YouTube friends already going out and about shopping for the patriotic decor, and I have my eye on a few things that they have bought or purchased or that they didn't pick up whenever they were out in the stores, and I think that I'm going to want to use it for the new house. I have lots of things and ideas excited, ready to go for the new home. We got to get through fall and Christmas before we even get to the patriotic decor again. But like I said, I like going every year and just seeing what's new and just being able to pack it away and put it up for the next year. We also have lots of house updates for the new house, lots and lots of new things, new and exciting things. If you follow me over on Instagram, then you have already seen lots of sneak peeks of fun things that's going on at the new house. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to check me out at SIMPLYLAKEANDLACE. And if you don't have an Instagram or you don't follow me over there, I highly suggest creating an account or going over there and finding me, because y'all get all the behind the scenes of day to day. If you watch me on my stories, it's what I'm doing every day, and I feel like that's so much more fun and exciting because I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit more personable, because some of these videos take me weeks to actually put out and I feel like y'all miss a lot. So if you are interested in that, definitely check me out over there. So like I said, lots of new house updates and hauls coming up soon for the new house. I have been collecting them ready to go for whenever we finish my mom's house. But also I know 4th of July is coming up and I love sharing with y'all decor inspiration for different seasons. But let me know in the comments down below. I need some ideas on areas to decorate or where y'all would like to see me decorate, because I don't really have my own space to decorate right now. So if y'all have any ideas, let me know. And by that, I mean different family members' houses. Like, is there a front porch you would like me to see of my mom's or Miss Althea's, or a back porch, or a certain room in the house? So give me some ideas on where y'all would like to see some 4th of July decorations go up. So my mom got this really cute table runner at TJ Maxx during the beginning of spring, and we love that it's reversible because we could do the bunnies for the spring and then we could flip it over to the plaid for whenever it's really summertime, like end of June into July is. So we can do it with like the patriotic decor. So I feel like this was a good 2-for-1 deal. So we're going to use this and decorate her dining room table. We are going to look for another centerpiece. We're just using what she had right now. This plant is actually supposed to go somewhere else, but we're going to use what we have in this space for today. Okay friends, that is all for today's video. Again, thank you Cricut for sponsoring today's video. That was so much fun, a fun little craft project to do with my mom, something new and different for us to do. My mom and I are actually planning on really cleaning out this pantry and really making it look so pretty and aesthetically pleasing. We want to go get lots of pretty containers and baskets and make it look like something off of Pinterest. So comment down below and let me know who is your favorite to watch for organizing pantries or kitchen cabinets. Let me know some of the videos that you found that you really enjoy watching. I'm going to let y'all see the inside of it so you can kind of be racking your brain on who might have one that's similar to this, where we can kind of copy them and get some inspiration on how to really make this pantry look really good. So this is entering into their dining room and kitchen area. We got it all cleaned up and it looks just absolutely beautiful. Really ended up loving Mom's built-in little china cabinet over here. We've really had fun dressing it up throughout the seasons, and I think it looks so good for spring. We might add some summer touches in here. That could be a video. We could make this look really summery and festive with flags and lemons or peaches or something like that. So we may do that kind of a video. We kind of changed just a few things up in here since the last time that we decorated in here, so I wanted to share it with y'all. Mom and I do have a bunch of places that we want to go. Definitely the thrift store to be looking for some fillers for her home. She has some empty spaces, and then we definitely want to redo her cabinet in the living room. If you go back and watch that video, the wallpaper for it actually came in today. We were going to try doing that today, but we ran out of time, so we'll have to come back and do another video on us putting that wallpaper in that cabinet and styling it. And then we're definitely going to take y'all shopping with us and see what all we can find as we finish styling Mom's home and kind of getting it complete. I'm sure as soon as we get it completed, it'll be fall time and it'll be time to do something else, moving some things around, but that is what we enjoy doing so much. So this is actually a picture that my sister and I gave my mom for Mother's Day. We got this at Rustic Relic. So this is a local little antique shop close to me, and I fell in love with this picture, and I thought it would be beautiful in my mom's home for spring and summer. We're trying to think if we want to add something to the sides of it. We're not sure yet, so give us some ideas on that. And then my mom got these beautiful velvet gold color curtains off of Amazon. It's the same ones that are in her living room. She did make the drop cloth ones, and she had those in there for years, but we just loved the velvet and just how luxurious and how it elevated the space. I wanted to say a big thank you for being with us today and staying with us on the series of decorating Mom and Dad's house and being with us on this crazy journey that they had. I hope that y'all enjoyed it, and I cannot wait to go shopping with you guys and start doing some patriotic decor and showing you all of our house updates. I hope that y'all have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.